Hey YouTube, there's just another quick point I wanted to make for you guys that are building your own 4.6 stroker engine. Just This is just something that I found that almost destroyed my engine. Um, I got a high volume oil pump. This is not the engine that's in my Jeep. This is just another 4 liter engine. But I wanted to show you guys this. See, the pickup tube on this oil pump is drastically longer than the one off for a 4 liter off of like a Wrangler. The oil pan's completely different and everything. See, I went and I think I got it from a local parts store or might have got it online. I don't remember, but I got a high volume Melian oil pump on mine and the oil pump screen pickup. Well, I put it on, put it in, and everything, and I just wanted to check and make sure that the oil pump pickup tube was at the right height so that I wouldn't have oil scavenging problems. Luckily, I checked that because it's about that much too short because I had the one for a Wrangler, not the one for a WJ. So all you guys out there that are building these 4.6 stroker engines and stuff, I want you guys to be very mindful of that and check it. Make sure it's the same length as your old one. I mean, most of the time it's not gonna be a problem, but if like you run into problems like I did, where your motor set torn apart for 6 months, and then you finally, when you're going back together, you put it back together, and you don't have the original pickup to match it up to. That's could be a catastrophic failure that will, absolutely ruin your entire build. So anyhow, I just thought that I'd share that with you. But anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll put a link in the comments below for this style pickup tube for the WJ and a high volume Melian oil pump like I ran. And I just want one more thing. A lot of people say if you run a high volume oil pump on these 4 liters that it's going to shred the cam gear and do all these horrible things. Well, mine's got like 30,000 miles on it right now. I don't have any of those problems. Haven't had any of those problems. I've got magnets on my drain plug. I've got magnets. I got filter mags on my oil filter. All that stuff. I haven't had any problems with it at all. Haven't had any excessive metal, anything like that. I had the normal metal break in when I broke the engine in. That's it. Past that, nothing. Another good point is these 4 liter engines that have the coil packs, they don't run. That oil pump gear doesn't run anything besides the oil pump. It has that little spinner that attaches to your camshaft pickup here, but it's not really rotating anything. All it's doing is running the oil pump. And you don't run a 2050 motor oil in these things. I run 1030 Royal Purple with a Prolong additive. That's it. I change my oil every 3, 4,000, 5,000 miles. I think it is 5,000. I think that's what I had it set to is 5,000s. But if I'm not driving it a lot, I just take it out and flog on it every once in a while. I just change my oil every few months. It's not that big a deal. But but anyhow, I just wanted to make that comment. I haven't had any issues whatsoever with it, and I don't think I ever will. I mean, if everybody that put a high volume oil pump on their WJ shredded their timing gear, you think they'd still make them? I mean, come on. But anyhow, and the other thing I did to mine that isn't on the normal ones is, I don't know if you can see it back behind here on this one, but there's this oil galley plug right here. Mine actually has a 1/16 of an inch drill bit. I took a drill bit, 1/16 drill bit, drilled a hole through it to help lubricate the timing set. So to minimize wear and all that. So that on top of it is more reason why I haven't had any problems with it. I would suggest you do that on your build, but that's up to you. I can't say if that is good, bad, whatever. I mean, I think it's a good thing. Obviously, General Motors did that with their 454 big blocks, and I thought it would be a good thing to do with my engine. And again, I have had no issues besides the one problem with this one seal up here leaking, and that was because of I reused the old harmonic balancer thinking it'd be okay. Bad idea. I'll put a link in the description below for a harmonic balancer. Same one I use, same place I bought it. I bought it off Amazon. So my affiliate link will be at the bottom. I'd appreciate it if you guys would click on that affiliate link, you know, give me a little kickback. It helps me make more of these videos and helps me do more stuff and give you guys more content. Anyhow, SoCal Sniper signing off. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.